Anchors away. Is this the usual music? I like it.
I like it too.
I'm feeling groovy. All right. Speaking of feeling
They're never
groovy.
gonna let us work together again.
They're like, we let it go a couple times, but
Yeah.
you've gotten out of hand. Well, speaking of getting out of hand, how cute these pants are. Hello? These are from Quacker Factory. They are the Anchors Away French Terry 23-inch cropped pant. So the inseam on these is 23 inches. They are new. It's the only order of the year. 3 easy payments of $19.33. These debuted a few weeks ago, and we've had over 500 of them ordered since they debuted, so do not wait. Extra, extra small through 5X are your sizes. This is your white option. Then we have that lipstick red. And then we have your dark navy. Now, all of these have the anchor on the ankle. This is our most limited in the dark navy, and it matches back beautifully to the tops we had just a second ago.
Yes.
We only have 300 left in our dark navy pant.
Oh boy.
So do not wait on those, especially if you've picked up the sweater and you're making that set. This is the time to make that set that you can mix and match and pair and wear with everything.
Please, I encourage you, mix and match all that you desire.
I love that.
You know, if you love, you know, this is Hello Perfect Memorial Day weekend.
Yes.
You know, this is just something that is so fun. And we know in Quacker Factory, we know that you love your dream jeans. I know it. But you also love to have other options, especially as it gets a little bit warmer in the summertime. So this is 95% cotton, 5% spandex, knit French terry again. So a little bit beefier on the bottom. The white has a nice density to it, so not see-through. Of course, I encourage you not to wear your Wednesday undergarments on Saturday, you know, with the white, wear, you know, skin tone color with them. But that 23-inch inseam is a great crop length. It's almost like no matter how tall you are or how shorter you are, it just hits in the right spot. But we do give you, I would say like about an inch where you could hem it if you wanted to, if you wanted it just a little bit shorter without cutting off any of the detail there. So keep that in mind.
Now, I love these pants, and I keep thinking of all of the things we are looking forward to coming up, and I know we have summer, but when we think about the spring holidays, what a great Mother's Day gift to give this as a set.
I love it. I love
this
that.
is a one and done gift that they will love. And it's something that's super comfortable. It's super chic. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. But this is something they wouldn't maybe pick up for themselves. Maybe they don't shop on QVC and they haven't seen the magic that is Quacker Factory.
Please share it. Please share.
Please share the good word of Quacker Factory. And for this great price of $58, when you're able to make a full set for 3 easy payments of $37, pick up the sweater, pick up the pants. This is that great French terry. Now, we spoke a little bit about that French terry in the sweater. Would you remind us what makes it so special?
Well, it's, you know, it's just a knit French terry. It's a little bit beefier. It has a great hand feel to it. It's soft. It's cozy, yet still cool because it's cotton rich.
Right.
So, you know, I just think of anybody that lives near the beach or near the lake. You know, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law live in North Carolina. My other brother-in-law and sister-in-law live in South Carolina. They're right near the water. So, pardon me, I had some coffee, so pardon me. This is just a fun way if you know anybody that just loves that beachy lake type feel. This is that quintessential outfit. If you went to the boardwalk, or if you, like me, love to go to resorts where they have the little shops, there's no way that you would find an outfit, you know, for this.
Oh, no, this price tag?
Yeah.
Now, I have to say, people are loving your outfit. So if you are considering this, it is new. Do not miss out on picking this up. Pick up these pants and pick up that top because that top is an expiring price. So if you want that suit, the set for $37, 3 easy payments, this is the time to pick it up. And this is the only order of the year for these pants as well. So when these are gone, they are gone. It's item number A681271. Those are the red that, the lipstick red.
Yes.
That Angel is holding.
I know, I love it. It's a little bit of it has a cool undertone to it. And remember, these are kissed on.
Yes.
So they're not going to be poking through, you know, making your legs bleed or anything like that. I mean, they're definitely, you know,
there will
just
be no
soft and
there will
easy.
be no bleeding. Then we've got the dark navy.
And by the way, Angela is 5'8",
Okay.
and she wears the size extra large. And you can see she and I are polar opposites. We're the same height, but we're polar opposites in terms of body shape, and because she's very curvaceous, and I keep my weight more in the middle. But these look fabulous on her, and I think they look pretty good on me
They look
too.
great. People
I'm just
are
gonna say,
loving your
I used to
outfit.
be a model, you know.
Well,
so
you still are.
They had to. Things had to look nice on me, right?
Right.
I wouldn't have been able to have a career for so long if they didn't.
No.
So you know, this really works no matter what your shape, and looks great.
And then to finish off our colors, we have.
I'm sorry, John.
No, you're fine. No,
Totally stomped all over you,
no,
comparing
you're
myself
fine.
to
The
Angela.
model was stealing the show.
Yes, she
We
was.
have that navy and the white. Inseam on these is $23. $58 is that price. 3 easy payments of $19.33 will get them home. It's item number A681271. While you are picking these up, pick up that matching sweater as well. Get that full set for 3 easy payments of $37. I love how chic it is, but you're still getting that glitz and
Yes,
glam
yes.
from the Quacker. All right, coming up